Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I am so glad you're here. I'm glad to be here as well. We were out of town for a couple of days. We had a little getaway up at New Smyrna and stayed in our favorite place, the Black Dolphin Inn. Lido man, Lido's in the room and he's got a plastic cup. So I apologize for the background noise, guys, but let me go ahead and get busy and tell you what we're doing today. I am going to brush paint my base coat on, and I'm going to put it down relatively thin, and then I'm going to do a minimal swipe over it. I saw a piece of art in an art gallery in New Smyrna, and I thought to myself, you know what? I think I can do that. So I'm going to be using some of our swiping colors as the base coat, but I'm painting them with straight paint. So I'll get a little bit of drag on my canvas. At least I think I will. And I got this waiting for me in the mail when I got home, this pearl medium, which you can mix into your paints to make them a flatter paint, have more of a pearlescence to it. But I'm going to put this on my canvas as part of my base coat prior to me swiping. So that's the plan. If it works, great. If it doesn't, darn it, we'll just move on to something else, right, guys? Let's talk about our colors because I think that they're yummy. This first color right here is DecoArt Metallics, and this is a great paint. One of the first paints I put my hands on, guys. This is their Pewter, and I absolutely love this paint. Now, all our paints today are mixed with my usual pouring medium, which is 50% of American Floetrol and 50% of Golden Gac 800. I did need to put a little bit of water in this one because it was a little thicker, but the fluid paints I needed to add absolutely no water to. This yummy color right here, this is DecoArt Extreme Sheen Sky Blue Topaz, but it was a little bit too in-your-face sky blue for me, so I added to it a little bit of the Iridescent Silver, which is a fluid paint by Golden. Now, this is a yummy, yummy color, guys. It's so soft and so delicate and extremely shimmery, which is always kind of nice. This guy right here is just my fluid golden iridescent silver by itself. This guy right here is also yummy. I think it's the most beautiful silvery blue that there is. That is Golden Fluid Paints. That's their Paynes gray. But to just soften it up a little bit, I added a little bit of the golden iridescent silver to it. Made a beautiful, beautiful color. Look at all these colors together, guys. I think this is going to be an absolutely lovely painting if it works out. For good luck and because it's my fave, Golden Fluid Acrylics in the Iridescent Pearl, which I think is absolutely lovely. So we're going to play with these paints as our base coat. We're going to brush them on with a big old brush that I have here. Kind of give it a molten, muted kind of background, and then we're going to do a swipe. I'm going to use damp paper towels, probably cut up in different sizes. Our canvas today is by Blick, and it is a 10 by 30, a very nice elongated canvas. And we're going to go this way with our painting, which is going to be kind of fun. So I'm going to go ahead and put some tunes on to inspire me. Put some tunes on so you guys can tap your toes. And we're going to get busy, guys. Thanks for joining me.
above it all. Meet all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat them all. I'm never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself again. Yeah. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. Start to believe in myself, and life will be sweet again. So sweet again. Above it all, meet all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat them all. I never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself again. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. Let it go. And I start to believe in myself, and life will be sweet again. Try to make it all undone, so it didn't